Tonight, a woman is in jail after pleading guilty to intoxication assault, but the victim of the 2012 crash says 10 days in jail is not enough. KFDM's Jessica Crawford reports the victim says she's happy to put the past behind her, but wishes more could be done.
This is one of the results of a June 2012 crash. The woman who was in the car survived and has been looking for justice ever since.
I don't think any of it's fair, the outcome or anything, but, it's the justice system, I guess.
Investigators say 36-year-old Heather Purcell was intoxicated when she crashed her vehicle into Brandy Scarber's car on the morning of June 8, 2012 on Major Drive.
I was in the hospital almost a month, and I had to learn to walk again, and I was in a wheelchair for 6 months.
Purcell was found guilty of intoxication assault Monday morning. She'll have to spend at least 10 days in jail and has 10 years of probation. She'll also have to pay a $500 fine and about $9,000 in restitution.
People just think that it's just no big deal. It's just DWI. She didn't mean to do it. It's, let's just go on.
In court, Judge Raquel West asked Purcell if she had any substances other than alcohol at the time of the crash. Purcell says she'd also taken Xanax.
I'm kind of upset that she doesn't have to spend more time in jail, but I'm just glad that I can put it behind me.
A victim of an intoxicated driver who hoped justice would deliver a different outcome. In Beaumont, Jessica Crawford, KFDM 6 News.
Purcell said she worked at a bar, and the judge said while Purcell is on probation, she should look for a different job.